Ever hear about the guy who bought a gym membership only to use it as an expensive place to take a shower? Now there's a man who knows how to get the most bang for his buck. But let's be real, he's not getting the most bang for his biceps, is he? Chuckles. Welcome, folks, to the world of fitness where everyone's journey is unique and the only common denominator is the sweat and tears. But hey, who said it has to be all pain and no gain? That's right, no one. Because there's a secret ingredient to making your workout journey more enjoyable and effective. It's called teamwork. You remember that time when you and your friends decided to go on a diet together, and the one who cheated had to do an embarrassing chicken dance in public? Ah, good times, right? What if we told you that this same spirit of camaraderie and friendly competition can make your workouts more fun and rewarding? Just imagine, it's a cold winter morning, and the warmth of your bed is almost irresistible. But then, the thought of your buddy waiting for you at the gym, and the prospect of doing 100 burpees if you bail, well, suddenly getting out of that bed doesn't seem so bad, does it? It's not just about the fear of losing a bet or doing an embarrassing task, though. It's also about the motivation and support that comes from having someone by your side. Remember the time when you were struggling with that last rep, and your buddy cheered you on, making you feel like a superhero lifting a car? You pushed through and felt invincible, right? That's the power of teamwork in action. And it's not just about the workouts either. It's about the journey, the shared experiences, the laughter, the high fives, and yes, even the occasional arguments about who gets to use the treadmill first. It's about shared victories and mutual encouragement during tough times. It's about growing together, not just in strength, but in spirit. So there you have it, folks. In the world of fitness, the phrase "no man is an island" holds true. Having a workout buddy is not just about making the journey more fun, it's about making it more effective. So why wait? Find your exercise buddy today and start pumping those iron, running those miles, and doing those burpees together. Because together, you're not just stronger, you're unstoppable. Remember, there's no I in team, but there's definitely a win in twinning. So get out there, find your fitness twin, and start winning at your workout game. And hey, if you end up doing the chicken dance in public, make sure to share it with us. We could all use a good laugh. Until next time, keep those muscles moving and that spirit soaring. Pump it up, team up, stick to it, and win together. #exercise buddy.